All right, guys, what I'm going to be doing is a quick little review on this lavalier microphone. Now, this right here is like a wireless microphone if you into, doing recordings and things from your phone and a lot of YouTube, maybe TikTok or whatever, things like that. And I don't have the mic on right now, so right now the audio quality is coming from the phone alone. So this one here, you get all kinds. This one here is for the Type C, of course. And I'm not sure what lightning charge is. Maybe that's that wireless type of stuff. I'm not sure. But this right here is going to be for Android because we got a C, as you can see. And Apple is some way different. I don't know. I don't even mess with Apple. But anyway. And the distance that this can transmit is, it says here, between 10 and 15 meters, which that averages is about 30 feet to 50 feet, pretty much, almost, when it comes to meters. So it's more probably like 31 or 49 or something like that feet. But anyway, the charging time, it charges up pretty good. It says it charges up in about 1.5 hours. It doesn't say exactly how long it can last, the product, but anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. You can see what comes right here on the back of the box. You got your charging little dock, then you got your microphone, and then you got your wireless USB plug that plugs into the phone. So let's get her open quick so you guys can see this here, and I will demonstrate the quality of it too as well. And this is all it comes with here. Like I said, the little charging port. This here is the USB mic, and this here is the clip-on mic itself. So let's get this ball put all together. It should be charged. I don't know how much charge it comes with, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. While I'm getting set up, I'll let those be charging up some, and see you right back here in a minute. All right, now folks, to get set up here is pretty simple. There's nothing to download. This here is your receiver, the Bluetooth receiver for the Bluetooth microphone. These two are the only things talking. When you have this plugged into your phone, it'll be just like a corded microphone plugged in. So you don't have to Bluetooth anything to your phone. It would have been cool if they just had this itself to Bluetooth to the phone, and they may have something like that out there. I'll look more into it, but right now I was just being cheap. I got this off of Amazon for like 10 bucks, something like that, but it's real cheap. And all you have to do here is, like I said, this plugs into the C port. You plug it in like this here, and you're ready to go. It's just that simple. So let's go ahead and get started recording something, and I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do this here. I understand you probably couldn't hear me at first because I didn't have this on. Once this blue light stops flashing and the blue light on the dongle stops flashing, you're paired and ready to go. Like I said, you don't have to download nothing to the phone. This talks to the dongle, and that's it. Now, like I said, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pace myself back 50 feet, and that's how we're gonna go from there. And I said at the 50 feet, I'll do an extra 5 feet just to see what the quality of the sound like. So let's go ahead and get started, folks. I don't know what the starting distance is, but I take it I'm about 2 feet away from there, but I'm not gonna even count that part. I'm just gonna start from the beginning. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, I'm at 20 feet. Now, this might sound kind of awkward because I don't sound like I'm at a far distance. I probably still sound like I'm at right up on the microphone, right close to the phone, if this is transmitting right. If you're into editing and you got some distance like this, you're gonna have to play with your volume levels to make sure or make it look like that person is speaking from the distance he's at or she's at. So let's just keep it going. We stop at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, folks, we're at the maximum distance of what the thing said. It said between 10 feet, 10 meters and 15 meters, which translates to about 32 feet and 49 feet. So we're gonna go an extra 5 feet to see what the transmission sound like from an extra 5 feet. We're going beyond the specs or already what it said already, and this is far enough for any kind of recording, to be honest. But I just want to test the limits of this thing. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. All right. Now, if you can hear me at this distance and I sound pretty good, it's cool. I'm not gonna keep talking because I may look like a fool back here because I could be talking to myself or I could sound like a robot and all choppy. So I'm coming back to you. Don't mind my walk. I got a bad leg, so I got a limp. I'm not using my cane, and I got to make sure this leg kind of stays straight when I walk, especially on uneven grounds, or I could topple over and fall, man. But while I'm talking to you guys on my way back, I want you to go ahead and take time to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel because it'll help me out a lot. And then, you know, as always, thank you for watching. Share this with your friends. This has been a review of the lavalier microphone, and it's over now. Peace out.